All right, here's an interesting Porsche. This one's a 1972 914. Nice little Targa top car. This car has been in our area for quite some time. Gentleman bought it, and I actually got it for his significant other. She has driven it ever since, and they just decided that it was time to part with it. Going to get into something else, and he thought he should have the room in his garage, so brought to us for the next owner to enjoy. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures of this car, you can see the underside of it, the interior. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it, and that's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us too. You got any questions? 507-386-1726. Now, these were actually made in West Germany. This was a joint venture between Volkswagen and Porsche when they came out. I believe it was in the early 70s sometime. I know they ceased production, I believe, in the 914s in 1976. And anyway, Volkswagen of America handled the exports to the States, and they were sold as Porsches. Little history to it. Of course, they were a mid-engine car, so actually the engine is placed kind of behind this rear windshield. If you're into these cars, you know what kind of specialty car this is. Now, as you come around here to the rear of this is saying 914-6 right there. This is a 914-4. It's quite obvious if you know anything about these cars and follow them at all. The VIN number is going to tell you what engine this one came with. It came with the 4, and the VIN numbers are going to start out, or the chassis numbers are going to start out with 47229, and then go on to the rest of the sequential number. And I believe the 914-6s started out with the 914 designation VIN. Anyway, what happened is this car was repainted 10 to 12 years ago, and when they repainted it, the emblems on it were quite pitted, and they tried to find an original style emblem in the 4. Could not come up with a 4. This was the only one that they really could come up with. When they were redoing the paint, they put the 914-6 on there. So not trying to represent it as a 914-6, it's a 914-4. And obviously, like I said, the VIN number is going to confirm that and tell you that. Now, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can sure assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract, so feel free to consult with your sales associate when you call in. Phone number, once again, 507-386-1726. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link in the description. That's going to take you right there. Of course, removable Targa top does come with it. It's along the wall over there. Just took it off for video purposes. The paint is starting to show a little bit of its age. You can see a little bit of cracking, a little chip right here. A lot of it's still very nice luster to it. And again, like I said, it's probably 10 to 12 years old. There's just a few areas I want to point out that it is not perfect, but still very drivable, showable type paint. All right, interior. So you'd have the 5-speed manual transmission paired up with the engine in this. Door panels, nice shape. Carpeting, decent shape, of course, with the Targa top. Slight fading there. Vinyl in this car is very good. It's believed to be original miles. I'm going to go ahead and hop in here and we'll start this up so you can hear it run. The stereos, I played around with those a little bit. I did not have the stereos working. A little older aftermarket in there, but you can see the dash is a nice shape. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Alright, as you can see, the gas gauge came up, tach is working there. Nice, smooth running cars. Always started right up. Whenever I fired it up or have moved it around. Of course, the fasten seatbelt light works. All right, let me slip out of this. There you have it. Expected to sound like. Cool sounding car and get that mid-engine. Here, I know it's going to be a little tougher to see because of the mid-engine mount, but we'll get in there so you can at least hear and see with your pin. Again, 914/4, 72 Porsche. I'll try to get around there so you can actually see it. You can see it's a very smooth running engine, but a little tougher to get a real good shot in there, but I'm going to at least pop that mid-engine base so you can at least get an idea what it looks like in there and how it sounds. There you go. Let's do a little edit to the movie. Give us a call. Very interesting car. You know there's not a lot of them out there. There you go if you're looking for a 1972 Porsche 914. Here it is. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.